wheel, this cycle produces all the cells in the body. So 40 to 70% of children with a diagnosis have a problem with this pink wheel, the way that the folate cycle is spinning. Right next to the folate wheel is the methylation cycle. And the easiest way to understand methylation is to know that when babies are conceived, they're not methylated. And they grow through the process of methylation. So this cycle shows 90% impairment in children with a diagnosis. Together, these two cycles work to create a battery in the brain. So this battery is called glutathione. In kids with autism, this battery is up to 80% depleted and is the rate-limiting step to development. Essentially, your child's brain can only develop as far as glutathione can take it. Glutathione is depleted by things like lead, mercury, aluminum, cadmium, things like bisphenol A. This battery plays a crucial role in managing brain chemicals within the brain. So neurotransmitters govern everything from language to social development to sensory processing to cognitive function. So if these cycles aren't working smoothly, we're going to get disruptions in the balance of the brain. So what happens when there's not enough glutathione is you end up having way too much glutamate. Now glutamate is the most plentiful neurotransmitter in the brain, but it has to be strictly managed. When the brain has too much glutamate, it starts to get really excited. Glutathione should be able to help you manage that excitability, but if it can't, that excitability can get to a toxic point. It can actually get so high that it creates damage within the brain. So this is what we see for kids with autism. The methylation cycle governs about 200 different things within the body. It takes synthetic folic acid or folate from the diet, and it converts it into methylfolate. So essentially methylfolate is like gold for the brain. This methyl donor travels over here and it donates itself to 200 different enzymatic and biochemical reactions within the body. Most of them are essential for development. So if you don't have a folate cycle that's working well and you can't methylate properly, you don't have enough glutathione, you're going to actually get damage to the cell membrane and you're going to damage mitochondria. So most of the research in the medical aspects of autism have identified some problems with mitochondrial function. So if we can protect the mitochondria and start to heal the system, we're going to see improvement in overall skills. If 40 to 70% of children who have a diagnosis don't turn their pink wheel very effectively, they essentially can't take folic acid that's synthetic from things like grains and convert it into methylfolate, which we've just shown is essentially gold when it comes to development. When your folic acid isn't converting, it basically clogs the brain. These two cycles, when they're working properly, can boost your glutathione. Once your glutathione is higher, your child's developmental speed essentially speeds up, just like running on a treadmill.